Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is coconut chicken, or a version of it. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. If I sound particularly chilled narrating this video, it's because I'm not speaking to the wife. Or we haven't fallen out, I just can't get a word in edgeways. Anyway, on with the cooking. Okay, the first thing to do is heat the oil in a suitably sized frying pan. When it's nice and hot, add the chicken, skin side down, and fry off until nice and golden brown. This should take between 10 and 15 minutes. Then turn over and repeat on the other side. When this is done, simply remove from the pan and reserve. And remember, you're not cooking the chicken all the way through, you're just sealing it and crisping up the skin. Then when the chicken is removed, it's time to add the onions to the pan and saute off for a minute or two. When the onions have had their 2 minutes, it's time to add in the garlic and continue to fry for a further minute or two. Then it's the turn of the spices, which in this case is turmeric and ground cumin. Then it's time to add in salt and pepper to taste before the peppers and carrots are added to the pot. Continue to cook until the carrots and peppers start to soften. Then it's time to add in the spinach and mix in well. And when the spinach is nice and wilted, it's time to add in the coconut milk. Then give these vegetables one final stir, and it's time to place the chicken back in the pot, again skin side up. Bring the mixture up to a simmer, turn the heat down to low, and cook until the right consistency you want is achieved and the chicken is cooked all the way through. And when this is done, you're ready to serve. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now. Is it my turn to speak yet?